Economic data continues to roll in next week with the durable goods orders released for May at 8:30 a.m. Eastern on Tuesday. The report is a leading indicator of manufacturing activity and can often move the market. Also on Tuesday, the report on consumer confidence for June will be out at 10 a.m. Eastern. The measure can aid in predicting sudden shifts in consumption patterns. In earnings, Barnes & Noble will report before the market open on Tuesday. After the book retailer launched a Father's Day promotion for its Nook devices, the company extended the discounts, prompting speculation about whether the tablets are failing to gain notable market share. Homebuilder Lennar reports its fiscal second quarter 2013 financial results on Tuesday. Analysts expect 33 cents in earnings per share on $1.3 billion in revenue for the quarter. The consensus earnings per share estimate has been steady since the company's last earnings report, while revenue estimates have increased. Drugstore chain Walgreens will report on Tuesday as well. The company recently reported sales that rose more than 4% in May compared to the same month a year ago, driven by growth in prescriptions. Prescriptions filled at established stores climbed more than 7% in May, while overall pharmacy sales increased more than 4%. On Wednesday, we'll have the third revision of the gross domestic product for the first quarter of 2013. The second revision showed that the U.S. economy grew at a 2.4% annual rate from January through March, slightly slower than the 2.5% rate initially estimated. Also on Wednesday, General Mills will release its results. The consumer foods company recently upped its earnings per share guidance for fiscal 2013. Sales and operating profit are expected to increase in the mid-single-digit range, with acquisitions adding to top-line growth. The company did maintain its fiscal 2014 earnings per share guidance of high single-digit growth. Monsanto will hold its quarterly earnings conference call at 9:30 a.m. Eastern the same day. Investors will look to see how the uproar over the company's alleged production of genetically engineered wheat has weighed on the company's bottom line. Also look for Bed Bath & Beyond to report. The retailer will hold its conference call at 5 p.m. Eastern. Thursday will see the release of ConAgra's quarterly results. The U.S. consumer food company has made a series of acquisitions over the past 2 years, including the Bertolli brand, P.F. Chang's home menu business, and most recently, Ralcorp Holdings, which manufactures store brand products. How have the acquisitions contributed to the value of the company's brand as well as its balance sheet? Nike, otherwise known as the undisputed leader in athletic footwear, also reports on Thursday. As the retailer has already seen huge growth over the past decade, how much can it continue? Rounding out the week on Friday is the latest earnings report from BlackBerry at 8 a.m. Eastern. On Wednesday, shares of the smartphone company fell more than 4% after its stock rating was cut by a Bernstein research analyst to underperform from market perform. The analyst cited waning enthusiasm for BlackBerry 10 devices for the ratings cut and dropped its price target on BlackBerry shares to $10 from $15. Lastly, we'll have the Chicago Purchasing Managers Index for June at 9:45 a.m. Eastern, surveying the manufacturing activity in the region. In New York, I'm Brittany Umar for The Street. Have a great weekend.